So this is how easily you can start your B2B or D2C store online. You have to go and start selling. Which store you can pick up, which store you can from the existing template, B2B or commerce or D2C store. Let's just say if I want to create a B2B store, and we click next, then we can select India, which shipping country, default language, and your default currency, and then you can give like a B2B and storefront, and same as your URL path, and then you can start selling. And yeah, so our storefront is there, and you can see that these are our storefront. We can brand our storefront, add product, personalize, set up payments, set up taxes, and so we we go into our commerce storefront console, and we can see that these are our B2B demo storefront. And at the simple data, if we want to just create it, we can brand our storefront, we can add the product and set up payments.